One, bite. Bite is called catch. Catch. Catch in Dinka language. Two, the dog bite me. In Dinka, Jong Acha catch or Jong Achi and catch. Jong Acha catch. Jong Achi and catch. Kick. Kick mean which. Which. The donkey kicked me. Akaja Achi and which. Akaja Achi and which. Joseph kicked the ball. Joseph achikura which. Joseph achikura which. Joseph achikura which. I kicked the ball. And chikura which. Don't kick the ball. Don't kick the ball. Dukura which. Dukura which. Jong. Jong. Tiger. Quach. Quach. Donkey. Akaja. Akaja. Cow. Wing. Wing. Camel. Torol. 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 Tongue. Lip. Lip. If it is my tongue, it become liamdia. N means shin. Shin. Ball. Kura. 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 Don'ty. Don'ty mean duk. Duk. For example, don't eat duk meat.